Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you how to make your own pizza dough at home. So first I'm just going to put in some warm water in a bowl, adding a teaspoon of sugar and let it melt. So after it has melted, I will be adding in a teaspoon of dry yeast. Next, I'll be covering the mixture with a kitchen towel and leave for about 15 minutes. So next, I'll get my flour and pour into a bowl the quantity I want. So next, I'll check on my yeast. After 15 minutes, it has risen. So I will just create a well in the middle of the flour and pour the mixture inside. Next, I will add in a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. You can add a tablespoon depending on the quantity you're making. So now I'm just going to mix everything together. Meanwhile, I added a pinch of salt. I forgot to film that part. So I will just continue to knead my mixture until it forms a dough. Now I will take it to a work table and knead for another 5 minutes until I get the consistency I want. So after kneading, I will get the bowl I was using before and pour in some oil to grease the bowl. This is for the dough not to stick to the bowl. So I'll place the dough inside and coat it with extra virgin olive oil again, like this. Next, I will cover with a kitchen towel and allow to rise. That is double in size for like 1 hour. So this is it after 1 hour. Our pizza dough is ready. As you can see, it doubled in size. Thanks for watching.